Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term Pegasus. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, Pegasus is a mythical winged horse, symbolizing inspiration and freedom. People use it when talking about imagination or something extraordinary. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Pegasus first showed up in Greek mythology as a symbol of poetic inspiration and divine help. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among creatives and fans of mythology. Now let's check out how to use Pegasus in a sentence. Correct example 1. The artist named her sculpture Pegasus to represent creativity and flight. Correct example 2. I felt like Pegasus soaring when I finally finished my painting. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said Pegasus at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using Pegasus right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Pegasus means a mythical winged horse symbolizing inspiration. It started in Greek mythology, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in art and music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Pegasus in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.